So this piece here, the amount of job that Amal, Sunil, and Kamal can individually do, these are referencing to their rates. And so we're being told that their individual rates, I'm using R for rate and the subscripts for their names, and Kamal is R sub K, they are in a harmonic progression, which means that their reciprocals would be in an arithmetic progression. So the common difference is the same. Maybe you've seen this before. What that means is that that difference is this, and 1 over RK minus RS. And you'll see if you rearrange this, combine those two terms, this is that harmonic mean that you may have seen earlier. So that's the relationship between the rates that comes from the first sentence. Now, we're told that Kamal takes twice as much time as Amal to do the same amount of job. So that means that the rate of Kamal is half of that of Amal. And we can also use this information that they are together completing the entire job in these days. So that means if I take their individual rates, RA times the number of days, this would be the fraction of the job that Amal has done. And then I do the same thing for Sunil, which is R sub S times 9, number of days again, and then Kamal R sub K times 16. And this has to equal 1 because these are the fractions of the job that they're doing individually. So this is the relationships we have, these three equations. We need to figure out the number of days Sunil will take to finish the job. So I'll focus on finding the rate of Sunil. And so I'll use this information, and I can plug in R sub K, which is half of RA, and since it's in the denominator, will go up, so it becomes 2 over RA, which is 3 over RA. And if I cross multiply, RA would be 3 over 2 times RS. So I can replace that here because I want this equation with just the R sub S as the variable, which is the rate at which Sunil does the work. This one is the same, and then I finally need R sub K, which is half of RA. So it's just half of this. So it becomes 3/4 R sub S. I'll put that here as well. Times 16. And then we can simplify this. This will become 12 RS, 9 RS. And then here 2 goes. So that becomes 6 R sub S equal to 1. If we add those up, 27 RS is 1. So I'm able to find the rate. It does 1/27th of a job per day. That's what the units are. Question is, how many days will it take Sunil to complete the job? So that means if it's doing 1/27th of a job per day, it would take to do the entire job, because another way you can think about this, one job in 27 days, it would take Sunil 27 days to complete this job. That's the answer.